Hi, it's Jim from Discovery Toys, and we are continuing our countdown to the holiday cutoffs. Just to remind you, for Canada, for both Hanukkah and Christmas, that is December 9th. And in the United States, it's the 12th of December for Hanukkah and the 13th for Christmas. Today we're featuring Color, Build, and Play. This is brand new in our line. This is a great product because children can exercise their artistic and creative ability as well as imaginary play. So this comes with different components, these plastic girders and beams, if you will, and these corner connectors. And then it comes with these cardstock panels. And the panels are neat. They're colored on one side, right? They're pre-colored with a beautiful design there. And on the other side, they're black and white. So the child can color in their own. It comes with 12 different colored pencils. So really a wide range of colors. And again, the child can color their own or use the pre-colored side. And it's very easy to assemble. No screws required. You simply would push these corner connectors and beams together, and the panels would slide into these slots inside the beams, right? And then you just simply would press all the pieces together. I believe there's 10 different panels. Again, it comes with black and white and colored. And once you're done, you have a house. And the doors actually work. Right, here's a cute little front door. There's also a door here on the side. You can easily remove one of the roof panels if you want to gain access inside the house. And it finally comes with two articulated figures. You see here, their arms move, their feet move. So you can play with them inside your house. Maybe add your other toys from home. And that's it. This is Color, Build, and Play. Now available from Discovery Toys. I will see you soon.